Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, yellow color, blue color, green color, red color, and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets. And first I draw A and use black color. This is A for apple. This is B for ball. This is C for cat. This is D for dog. This is E for elephant. This is F for fish. This is G for goat. It's neither H. The alphabets of H and use yellow color. This is H for helicopter. This is I for ice cream. This is J for joker. This is K for king. This is L for lion. This is M for moon. This is N for nose. It's neither O. The alphabets of O and use blue color. This is O for octopus. This is P for parrot. This is Q for queen. This is R for rose. This is S for sun. This is T for teacher. This is U for umbrella. It's neither V. The alphabets of V and use green color. This is V for van. This is W for wallet. This is X for telephone. This is Y for yak. This is Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.